Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, Walgreens is absolutely on fire this week, and we are going to talk about all the things. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos that you might want to go and check out, because over at the DG this week, things are getting crazy. We've got new coupons, we've got freebies, we've got rebates, we've got DG cash, we have new clearance markdowns, we have run glitches, we have run deals, stock up prices on food items, we have the glitch list. Plus, we also have freebies and glitches over at the Family Dollar this week as well. And hopefully you all saw that I did upload another Walgreens video a couple of days ago. Stop, drop, and run deals. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and talk about all the things that are going on at Walgreens right now, because it is absolutely crazy. Now, I did post that video on December the 26th. I told you guys to run. We had Christmas gift sets at 60% off, somewhere at 70% off. I believe a few of them were even 75% off. Plus, we had coupon matchups. So I told you guys to run out to your Walgreens then and check out the gift sets. Hopefully, everybody looked around the entire store, because the clearance is on fire right now. Not only on the gift sets, but we have all of these other Christmas items that are either 50, 60, some are 70 and 80% off right now already. We're only a few days after Christmas, guys, so this is fantastic. Now, if y'all have been keeping up with my videos, you already know that a couple of days before Christmas, the UPS driver actually backed into our driveway and crashed into one of our vehicles. So your girl's down to one vehicle that everybody can fit into, which we are lucky that we have that extra vehicle, but that meant that I was unable to run out the day after Christmas and get in on those gift set deals. And as you all saw in that video, I really racked up on the gift sets last year, so I was perfectly fine with staying home and letting other people get in on those deals. However, I did run out yesterday, and this is what is left at my store. So there are still tons and tons of amazing deals out there. Like I said, we have a lot of this stuff at 50 and 60% off, but some of it is 75, 80. I even found some 90% off clearance items at this store. So I wanted to go ahead and put together this video and share with you guys all of these items that are on clearance right now. And I do believe I'm going to have to put together a part 2 video as well, because since then I have found coupon matchups, we have rebates, and even a money-making deal. So make sure that y'all stay tuned for part 2. But go ahead and take a look at all of these items that are on clearance right now. We have the Yankee candles. We have the holiday scent of the Glade candles and the sprays. And of course, we have all of this holiday decor and gift wrap, wrapping paper. All of that stuff is 60% off right now at Walgreens. Now, keep in mind that some of this stuff you may want to wait on, because my guess is in a week or so, maybe not even that long, this stuff is going to drop to 70% off. And then eventually it will go down to 90% off. So things like holiday lights, gift wrap, things like that, you might want to wait on, because as you guys can see at this store, they still have quite a bit of that stuff left on the shelf. And right now at $3, $4, $5 is a great deal. But next week or the week after, when it hits 70 or 90% off, it's going to be an even better deal. So really on some of this stuff, you just kind of have to pick and choose which deals are worth it right now for you. Like, for example, for me yesterday, I normally would not have picked up any gift wrap or anything like that, but I did find 2 huge rolls of the Hallmark gift wrap, and they were not necessarily Christmas only colors. So they were neutral colors that I could definitely use for birthday gifts and use that wrapping paper year round. So I was super excited to pick those up. I believe they were $2.50 each or $2.60 each. I used Walgreens cash to pay, so I'm really happy with that deal. Now, while the Christmas clearance is really exciting, the real reason why I wanted to put this video together is to show you all just how much clearance is actually at Walgreens right now. Just take a look. There are orange clearance stickers everywhere. Now, not all stores will be tagged like this, but if you guys see an item in this video and you find it at your store, you can always take it up to the register and have them price check it for you. Yes, you can scan it with the Walgreens app, but what I have learned is that not all of these products will show up in the app because they are on clearance. So, as you guys are going to see throughout the rest of this video, and then also in part 2, we literally have hundreds of items on clearance right now at Walgreens. The majority are at 50 and 60% off, but I found some at 75, 80, and 90% off. Now, you throw in a coupon matchup or a rebate, you've got freebies, you've got money makers, and let's not forget about the weekly sale deals. So buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So keep an eye out for those promotions as well. As we go through here, you guys will see that I have included some of the promotional tags like buy one, get one half off, spend 10, get back a $4 register reward. And you guys will see that as we go through these videos. And typically those clearance items will be eligible for those promotions, even though they are on clearance. So, if you guys do plan on going out to Walgreens, make sure that you check up and down every single aisle for those clearance tags. I was absolutely shocked to see that there was this many items on clearance right now. I don't think that I walked down an aisle without seeing a ton of clearance stickers. Like I said, I'm going to have to put together a part 2 just to show you all everything that I found. And I didn't even get to take pictures or video of everything that I wanted to because I just simply ran out of time. Like I said, we're working with one vehicle at the moment where everybody can fit. So I had to leave. I had to go pick up the kiddos. So I missed out on getting pictures and video of the cosmetic aisle, the face products, all that Olay, OMG pet clearance. So like I said, if you go to Walgreens, check up and down every single aisle. If you find any of these items that are not marked, take it up to the register and have them price check it for you all. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for part 2. That will be coming up next. I wanted to include everything in one video, but just getting the coupon matchups and the screenshots and the pictures all together for you, it just takes a little bit of extra time to put all that together. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.